Love and hate, two sides of the same coin, especially in the rich tapestry of Turkish dramas. Today, we will dive into a whirlwind of emotions, where passion and antagonism intertwine to craft the most unforgettable stories. And if you're not fluent in Turkish, fret not, you can watch them with English subtitles. Let's embark on a journey through the top 10 Turkish series of 2025, where tumultuous relationships pave the way to unexpected alliances and love stories. Ready to get your heart racing? Let's start. 10. Zembili, the Mystic. We open our countdown with Zembili. Set against the backdrop of a serene mountain village, this drama explores the lives of childhood friends, whose relationships are tested by their diverging paths and romantic entanglements. When Aylin returns from the city, she finds her old friends caught up in personal dilemmas and love triangles that threaten to disrupt their lifelong bonds. Can they navigate these turbulent waters to find peace, or are some relationships doomed to end in heartache? 9. Kardlenler, Snowdrops. At number 9, Kardlenler takes us inside a family grappling with the aftermath of a disastrous reunion that exposes old secrets and lies. As the truth comes to light, each family member must confront their past decisions and their consequences. Amidst the turmoil, will they find the strength to forgive and start anew, or is their family bond irreversibly damaged? 8. Kan Boku, Life Debt. Kan Boku spotlights the strained relationship between Mehmet, a successful but distant father, and his rebellious daughter Derya. Following the loss of her mother, Derya grows increasingly resentful of her father's controlling ways. As they struggle to find common ground, dark family secrets emerge, challenging their perceptions of each other. Can they mend their fractured relationship, or is it too late for reconciliation? 7. Sakir Pasa Ailesi, Portrait of a Scandalous Family. In the opulent setting of early 20th century Istanbul, Sakir Pasa Ailesi dramatized the decline of a once noble family embroiled in a scandalous affair that tests their loyalties and values. When the patriarch's son falls for a woman beneath their social standing, the family must choose between their reputation and their happiness. Will love triumph over societal expectations, or will their legacy crumble under the weight of scandal? 6. Pyasa, Market. Moving to the bustling world of media, Pyasa introduces us to Kenan and Munevver, two polar opposites forced to pretend they are in love after a public scandal. As they navigate their relationship under the public eye, genuine feelings begin to emerge. Can they make sense of their real emotions amidst the chaos, or will the spotlight burn everything to the ground? 5. Baska Bir Gun, Another Day. In Baska Bir Gun, Nehir's seemingly perfect life is upended when her husband mysteriously vanishes. Her search for him uncovers a web of lies and deceit that challenges everything she believed about their life together. Faced with her shattered reality, Nehir must decide whether to cling to the past or embrace a new start. What will prevail, her love for the man she thought she knew, or her desire for truth? 4. Sahipsizade, The Abandoned Ones. Sahipsizade tells the heart-wrenching story of orphaned siblings fighting to stay together amidst the adversities of Istanbul's unforgiving streets. With each challenge, they confront their fears and hopes, drawing strength from their unbreakable bonds. Will their determination and love for each other be enough to overcome the cruel realities they face? 3. Bir Zamanlar Istanbul, Once Upon a Time in Istanbul. In Bir Zamanlar Istanbul, the gritty world of the mafia intersects with the life of Ali, a student unwittingly drawn into their ranks, and Seher, a journalist determined to expose them. Their initial hostility slowly morphs into a complex relationship marked by mutual respect and an undeniable attraction. Can their love survive the dangerous world they find themselves in, or will it fall victim to the very stories they seek to tell? 2. Karal K. Bidders, If the King Loses. As the stakes rise in the business world, Karal K. Bidders delves into the tumultuous life of Kenan, a powerful man whose world is turned upside down by Fadi, a defiant woman who refuses to bow to his will. Their battle of wills leads to a passionate entanglement that could either be their salvation or their undoing. Will love be the ultimate game changer, or will it spell disaster for both? 1. Uzak Sahir, Distant City. At the pinnacle of our list, Uzak Sahir mesmerizes with its blend of action, romance, and cultural conflict. Alia, thrust into an arranged marriage with Sihan following her husband's death, discovers strength and resilience in her struggle for autonomy. As they navigate their contentious relationship, a deeper connection begins to form. Will they find love amidst conflict, or will their differences prove too great to bridge? And that's a wrap on our journey through the top 10 love-hate relationship Turkish drama series of 2025. Each story brings us closer to understanding the delicate balance between love and hate, showing us that the line between the two is often blurred. What were your favorite moments? Share your top picks in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thrilling reviews and updates. Thank you for joining us. Keep the drama alive until next time.